Today I'm going to do a quick DIY replacement of the toilet bowl seal. When we put our trailer away for storage just before the winter, we put plumbing antifreeze throughout the plumbing system, and we left some in the toilet bowl. And that is to keep the seal wet so it doesn't dry out and crack. When we picked up our trailer from storage, we realized that the seal did not work properly. The toilet bowl was dry. At home, we flushed the toilet and found the seal was leaking slowly, so it wasn't working right. We cleaned the seal and conditioned it with rubber seal conditioner, and after 2 hours, it still was leaking. Time to replace the seal. You need the correct seal for your RV toilet. If you have the manual, that will help. With us, we could see it's a Thetford. We found a label behind the toilet and took a picture of it. It showed a part number for the toilet bowl, and we Googled that. We found it was a part for a Thetford Aqua Magic 5. We went to the Thetford website and queried that toilet. We found the seal we needed, and it showed the part number. We then picked one up from our local RV dealer who had it in stock. You can also order it on Amazon, and at a cost of $18.75. First things first, if you are plugged into city water, turn off the water. If you have water in your water tank, shut off the water pump. Thirdly, very important, rubber gloves. Do not forget your rubber gloves. This is going to be a little bit of a dirty job. Repeat after me. Wear rubber gloves. So first of all, I'm going to kneel on the flusher to hold it open. And I don't know if you can see, I'll close this flange, but there's a black seal around. That's the seal that you want to remove. And what you want to do is get your thumb under the top part of the seal between the plastic, and you're going to jimmy your way around without dropping the seal down the toilet. So you want to be very careful. It's going to be a little tricky, I think. It's in there good. Okay. Twisty, twisty. There we go. So we're going to get a replacement and put it in the same way. I'm going to get some soapy water and give it a little cleaning. Okay, we've just used some soapy water and a rag, and I'm just cleaning where the ring was inserted. Make sure that any dry stuff is wiped away, because we want it to be fresh and clean to put in the new ring. Okay. This is the package, the Thetford blade seal. There's a 2-pack in here. One is for the toilet bowl, which I'm replacing, and the other one is for to attach the toilet to the floor. Here's the ring with the flange around the bottom. We're gonna put it in some soapy water, and when you're inserting it, make sure your hand's in the middle so you can push it up and into the groove. Okay, so you might have to do a little shenagling to get it into position, but when you're done, make sure you have you can feel it smooth around the edge there. We'll close that, and you can see it's in position. We'll put water in the bowl and maybe wait an hour and come back and check on it. So let's turn on the water. All right, here we go. All right, so we'll let that sit, and we'll come back and check on that in an hour. All right, so it's been an hour, and it looks like we're successful. Water's still in the toilet bowl. There you have it, a quick and easy fix, and you don't have to spend a lot of money when you can do it yourself.